Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir!
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Mayor Humdinger gave our town a flower that stinks horribly when it blooms.
Ew!
So for this mission, I'll need Rocky.
Green means go!
Oh, right! Paw Patrol is on a roll! We're going to float this stinky flower right back to Foggy Bottom.
On the water?
You won't have to get wet. Just push that new button on your dash.
Whoa!
One more thing. Life jacket, deploy.
Oh, now can we get rid of this?
I've got a buoy.
Okay, Mayor, let's do this.
Ooh!
Rocky, take it away. Time to make a special delivery.
On it. Winch detach. P.U.
Special delivery for Mayor Humdinger.
Come along, kiddies. After delivering the stinkiest flower ever to Adventure Bay, we deserve some rest and relaxation. The sweet smell of success. What? Oh no! Those seeds will just grow more stinky plants. Grab them! No! What?
Rusty marks the spot. Ahoy, ye landlubber! Ha-ha! Prepare to set sail, ye scallywags!
Rusty?
Oh, hey, Ruby. I'm just, being a pirate.
I can see that. Why?
Because I found something super cool. Hey, Jack?
Hello!
An old wooden box?
Not just any old wooden box.
An empty old wooden box?
That's what I thought, too. Until I looked a little closer.
A secret compartment!
Yep, and look what's inside.
A map? It's Sparkton Hills. Only a long time ago. And look, Rustin Rivets the Fourth. Is that your great-great-granddad?
I'd say he was my great-great-grand pirate. See? 3 X's. That's what pirates used to mark things they wanted to find later.
Find the spot the X's mark. Across the town and in the park. Follow the map alone or together. It'll lead you to buried treasure.
Told you it was super cool.
The first X is in the forest. It's gonna be a lot of digging. Do we have any turbo shovels?
Nope, we're just gonna need a little help from our crew. Gather around me, hearties. We be going on an adventure for treasure, we are.
Let's just go.
Okay. Time to bolt. That X is somewhere here in the forest. Wait a minute. Where did I put the map?
I've got us covered. I scanned it into my tablet. Now we'll always have a digital copy.
Smart thinking, Ruby. So according to the map, the first X is under ye old crooked tree. Huh.
Does anyone see a crooked tree around?
I think that's just a tree you're accidentally stepping on, Botasaur.
Maybe it isn't a crooked tree, but that is...
Awesome! This is the spot.
Let's dig in. Botasaur? He found something! Maybe it's a pile of old wood.
They must have been important to my great-great-granddad if he bothered to bury them. But what are they for?
Wait! There's something carved in the wood. It's a message! It's a message from your great-great-granddad. Finding these pieces means you're clever and wise. Keep searching, me mateys, to reach your next prize.
I like the sound of that. Time to bolt!
So the next X is somewhere here in the park on some kind of big round thing.
Let's split into teams and find something big and round. Nice try, guys, but I don't think that's it.
I don't think that's the big round thing we're looking for either. Sorry, Officer Carl.
What is it, boy? Of course! The old sundial is big and round. The perfect place for buried treasure to hide.
Now what? We can't just dig through it.
We'll find a way.
Cool!
Told you we'd find a way.
There's a hole.
What kind of treasure would fit down there? It's super dark.
Ray? Shed some light on the situation, would ya?
There's definitely something in there. This looks like a job for my grabber attachment. I've got it!
Awesome! Is it gold or jewels? Oh, good. More wood.
Whoa! These wooden poles are really long. Thanks, Spotosaur. What do we do with these?
Message!
Great job, Jack. There's another message. 2 more pieces of puzzle you've found. Now head to the beach and be seaward bound.
A puzzle? That means the wooden panels in these poles must go together somehow. This isn't just treasure we're finding. We're actually making something.
So the last puzzle piece must be at the next X.
Come on, everyone. Let's load up and head for the beach. 73, 74, 75.
Well, hello there, kids. It is a nice day for counting.
Hi, Mr. Higgins.
That's one nifty treasure map you've got yourselves there.
We're looking for the last X.
And just a few more paces.
Mind if I join in on the fun?
Sure. 98, 99, 100. Huh? The last X should be right here.
Whirly, use your scanner vision to see if you can find anything.
Great Caesar salad! An X!
Time to dig. I've got it.
What is it?
It looks like the wheel from an old wooden cart.
What can you do with one wheel?
Wheels are also used for steering. And if we've learned anything from the other pieces, there should be another clue.
The pieces you found a new vessel make. Combine it, design it. Then fair winds to the lake.
What does that mean?
It's what sailors used to say to each other when they started a voyage. It means good luck.
So we need to build something with all these puzzle pieces and head out to the lake. But where exactly? The last X. Thanks, Whirly. That must be the treasure. And whatever we build will get us there.
Let's combine it.
And design it. First, we take the wood parts we found in the forest and put them together.
Then we add on the skinny poles we found under the sundial.
And we combine them with the old steering wheel. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. my great-great-granddad's pirate ship. Wait, what's this? From clues that I've given, you've built what I've shown. Now add something new and make it your own. Make it our own? Modified, customized, rustified. The new, improved, and fully rustified Power Pirate Ship 1650.
Wow! All right, Captain, let's see what the ship can do.
Arr! Prepare to bolt, matey.
The treasure should be right here.
A lot of pirates have hooks, but we have a claw. Let's see what's down there. We've got something. A treasure chest. Wow, the coolest treasure ever. An antique hammer.
Ooh! And look! Rubies! For Ruby.
Check it out. They left some cool pirate gear in here, too. Want to try it on, Bits? You look more like a pirate already, Jack. This treasure hunt was awesome.
But it's time we headed back to shore.
Ruby, what is that?
I don't know. This telescope was in the treasure chest. It's another treasure map.
So, you still want to head back to shore?
Arr! There be treasure to find. Full steam ahead.
Aye, aye.
The treasure of King Rivets. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Build It, Brock. Really? Me? You'll follow the clues on the Majestic Mountain map to the Treasure King Tooth and deliver it to Museum Station.
And don't forget me, Nico, King of the Maps.
Now you're ready to make tracks.
I'll go nice and slow in case Anthony made a booby trap to keep his treasure safe. No booby trap! Woohoo! Uh-oh! Oh no! I'm gonna carry back! Go, go, go! Booby trap!
Mega Digger, activate!
Hold on tight! The treasure of King Toots! It's flood time! Now let's get that treasure! It's beautiful. Done and delivered!
Whoever it is might need help. Let's go check it out, pups.
Wow!
Welcome. Zuma, use your cable to tow the capsule to the dock. Great. Hang on, space traveler.
Wowza! Was that the weird object that just whizzed over the water?
Look who we found inside.
It's a monkey astronaut?
Huh?
Captain Gordy, what happened?
I'm Ryder, but Captain Gordy's okay. The space capsule crashed in the bay, but we rescued him.
Thank you, Rescue Rider, for saving Captain Gordy. Unfortunately now, he can't get into orbit soon enough to meet the space station.
We can get him there fast.
Not yet! Wait! Stop!
Hi, Captain Turbot.
Your sassy simian's so bananas for bananas, he broke the hatch of the space capsule.
We'll take care of it.
We've got a problem. The hatch is jammed, and I'm locked inside the capsule. Bye, Captain Gordy. Have a good mission.
Awesome job, pups.
Rescue Rider, the mission has been saved. Many thanks to you all.
Rusty's Bits on the Fritz. Okay, tighten up the fasteners and it's all done. I just need my screwdriver. Thanks, Jack. Now to give it a quick wipe down. Thanks, Whirly.
It's like you know what we want, even before we do. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready?
Almost. We're just about to test out the Copycat 500.
Cool. What's it do? Anything we put in here gets zapped, and out pops a perfect copy. Can you copy my car?
Sure. Ruby, power it up.
Don't you just love the sound of science?
Looks like it worked.
Sweet! Now I have 3 cars to play with. Cool! I don't need my remote to drive them.
And they're different colors.
Is it just me, or are these copy cars acting kinda weird?
Maybe the Copycat still needs some adjustments.
Good thing we added a reverse setting. Let's round them up.
Bits, can you catch them?
Are you guys okay?
Good work, everyone. Let's get the car back to the way it was. And reverse.
Awesome! Good as new. The reverse button works great, but the copying part, not so great.
We'll fix it to make perfect copies later. Let's hit the park first.
The park?
Yes! Right after we clean up this mess.
No! And the bits get their bath. But all that'll take forever. Don't worry. Nothing gets the bits into their washer faster than bath time tunes. Come on, Bits! Have a good bath while we clean up the yard. This is gonna take forever to clean up. I have the perfect plan. Quick, Bits, into the Copycat. Is that the...
Oh, no.
Liam, wait!
What's in there?
The answer to all our problems. Whoa! Look at all those bits! Exactly! They'll help us clean up super fast.
Oops. Oops.
them. Don't worry, we'll just reverse it, like we did with the car.
Right. I'll call them all back. Oh! The bits aren't responding. Guys. Oh no! We've got to catch them.
Time to bolt! Where did the copy bits go?
They should be right here.
I don't need all this light to drive, thank you.
What? Hey! Whoa, this is one big shipment of waffle cones. Awesome! Hey, no! Don't crush those boxes. They're still full of waffle cones. Wait a minute. There's one crush, and another crush, and crush again? Whoa, I need to lay down. Oh, good. It was just a dream.
These copy bits are making a mess all over town.
A mega mess! The copies are definitely not working right. The bits usually help people.
Guys, I don't think I like this kind of help. Actually, this is kind of fun.
We really need a plan to catch those copy bits. We'll catch those copy bits no problem with the inescapable Hover Cage 5000. Now we wait.
But not for long. Look! A little closer. Now!
Got 'em! I knew that inescapable Hover Cage would work.
Inescapable?
What? They're escaping! But how?
Through the manhole.
How are we ever gonna catch those metal copy bits?
Rusty, you just said the magic word.
Abracadabra?
No, metal. And we've got just the thing.
The magnet crane! Great idea, Ruby. This will be perfect to pick up those copy bits.
And now's our chance. Look! Copy jacks at 12 o'clock.
Time to nab our first magnet full of bits.
We've got him now. That could have gone better. Hi, guys.
Liam, you're back!
And you brought the copy bits. Yeah, it's kind of weird. They've been following me ever since I hopped in my truck and put on this great bath time song. Huh?
Wait a second. We've been going about this all wrong. Instead of running around trying to catch the bits,
We get them to come running to us. Please make a cool vehicle. Please make a cool vehicle.
all we need is a cool vehicle.
Yahoo! Let's combine it.
And design it. First, we start with the magnet crane.
Then we add the Copycat 500 and a bunch of brushes from the bit washer.
And because the bits love their bath time tunes, we'll add a souped-up sound system with a megaphone. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Made, customized, rustified. The Super Bit Fix Trap Action Contraption 5000.
Woohoo! Yes!
Let's go get those copy bits and change them back to normal.
Whoa! Look at this mess. We must be close.
We've just got to keep our eyes open for those copy bits.
Hey, Rusty, what's up?
Okay, I think we found them. Ruby, it's bath time.
Hey, where are you guys going?
It's working! Activating scrub brushes. All right, they're in the copycat. And reverse.
Aren't they back to normal?
It worked!
Yay! Bits are back. I'm sorry, guys. This is all my fault. By trying to find a shortcut, I just made more of a mess all over town.
Don't worry, Liam. The real bits are already on it.
Hold on, you guys. I'll help. Did it work?
Let's find out. Now this is what the copycat was meant for. Copy cones! But next time, I think we should go for raspberry.
Yeah!
Nate's crushing it! Calling all trains! Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission! Today's mega mission goes to... People Mover Penny! Yay! You'll pick up a giant block of ice at Pointy Peak Station and deliver it to Beach Station so Finn can make snow cones for everyone.
Snow cones? They're gonna love that!
And I'll ride along with you, Penny. Now you're ready to make tracks!
Woohoo! Going down! Thanks for the ice, Rocky. Bye!
Huh? Going in reverse, Penny!
That rock slide's trapped us!
Great Nate is never late!
Nice job, Nate!
Now let's make tracks to Beach Station!
Yay! The snow cones are here!
Oh no! The rock slide broke the snow cone machine!
Hey! I've got an idea!
I love this part! Snow cone!
Yay! Thank you!
Ryder here.
We've got a serious problem out on the Flounder.
We'll be down at the bay in just a couple of minutes.
We're a little farther north.
The Arctic?
We were counting polar bears, but the ice cracked and they floated away.
We're on our way, Jake. No job is too far, no pup is too small.
Look, a cub! Oh, but he's way out there.
Ryder, we found one of the cubs, but we need help bringing him in.
Any sign of the other one?
Not yet. It's hard to see the cubs against the snow and ice.
Zuma, I need you to rescue a cub floating off the north shore. Sky, I need you and your supersonic wings to help find the other cub.
Roger! Okay, little guy. Time for a ride home to your mama. Brewy! Ryder, I found the cub!
Great, Sky.
He's not that far out.
We're here to help, little dude.
Sled! Come on, little guy. We're gonna take you home to your mama.
How's it going, Everest?
I'm trying to tow the cub in, but he's too afraid to jump on the sled.
Sounds like he needs something to lure him. Some fishy motivation. Sky, can you fly to the flounder? I need you to make a special delivery.
I'm on it!
Look, here comes Sky. It's working.
They're in perfect health, Mrs. Mama Polar Bear.
Rusty digs in. That's weird. Where in the world are they? I don't get it. A bunch of my tools and inventions are missing. Have you guys seen where they went?
And a bunch of my stuff is gone, too.
It doesn't make sense. My gecko wall climbing gloves were right here.
And my Eagle rocket boots were right there.
Well, at least my sandwich is where I left it. Oh, no. It's gone, too. What is going on around here?
Well, I guess that explains where all our stuff went.
I'm glad you like the drill attachment I made for your tail, Botosaur. But do you have to bury everything? No thanks. You keep it.
It's cool if you bury things, but can you not bury our stuff?
You promise? Good, because we have important stuff to do today. Check this out.
Wow. You finished making the Super Citizen Medal for Mr. Higgins. Awesome work, Rusty.
Thanks, Ruby. I can't wait till he gets it at the big ceremony this afternoon.
He's here!
Hey, you kids.
Hey, Mr. Higgins. Ready for your big day?
Oh, boy. I hope so. Do I look okay?
You look great, but you may have forgotten one thing.
What? I'm so excited for the Super Citizen ceremony that proper footwear slipped my slippery mind.
It's a good thing your award isn't based on what you wear on your feet.
It's about all the amazing things you've done.
Oh, I wouldn't say I've done anything worthy of all this celebration hullabaloo.
Are you kidding? You're the town's very first inventor and an inspiration to everyone, especially me.
Just think of all the amazing things you've invented. The reverse umbrella to help speed up bath time.
Or when you solved the banana shortage with your auto banana briefcase.
And of course, the day you opened your shop. Our town hasn't been the same since.
Aw, thanks a megaton, kids. Now, if I'm gonna get my shoes before the big shindig, I'd better get hopping. So long!
We'd better get to the ceremony, but first, let's grab Mr. Higgins' medal. It's gone.
Rusty? So is Botosaur.
Oh, no. What if he buried it in the yard? We've got to find him. Botosaur, where are you? Here, boy, Whoa! Whew, thanks.
No problem.
Hey, Botosaur, did you take Mr. Higgins' medal and bury it somewhere? You don't know.
We don't have enough time to check all these holes.
So, if we can't go to Mr. Higgins' medal, maybe we can bring it to us.
We just need a really strong magnet to get through all that dirt.
Sounds like a job for our super powerful electromagnet. If that metal is out there, this magnet will bring it to us. Let's crank it to full power. Uh-oh!
Airplane wings! Shut off the power! Quick!
Uh-oh.
Are you guys okay?
You didn't happen to see Mr. Higgins' medal flying around up there, did you?
What are we gonna do? It's almost time for the ceremony.
I know, but the medal's not in the yard.
It could be buried. Anywhere in town. Mr. Higgins' medal ceremony starts soon. And we've got no medal.
Done. We've got a new way to find Mr. Higgins' medal, and here it is.
A metal detector.
With it attached to your buggy, we can search all over town in no time. Time to bolt. It looks like you've buried half the town. Any luck with the metal detector?
Nothing yet. But I like the sound of that beeping. Old tin cans. Some busted car parts.
Nothing but junk. Are you sure you can't remember where you buried it?
What do you see, boy? It's just a bird. Why is the metal detector detecting him?
The medal! That pesky seagull took it! So, you didn't take it after all, did you, Botasaur? I should have known you wouldn't break your promise. I'm sorry. Go, Botasaur, go! Let's get that medal. Hang on!
Woohoo!
That seagull is just too fast.
And too high. Even if we do catch up, then what? He's up there, and we're stuck down here.
Or are we?
Are you thinking we need a little lift?
You know it.
All right, let's combine it.
And design it. First, we'll have to use the magnet to grab Mr. Higgins' medal.
And we use the airplane wings from the yard to get up in the air.
Then finish it up with the most important piece of all, Botasaur. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Super Dino Flyer 5000!
Time to put the soar in Botasaur.
Now let's go get that medal. There's the seagull! And he still has the medal! Don't let him get away! He's headed for the clouds! Nice move, Seagull, but we've got moves too. To the ceremony!
Hi, everyone. Sorry, but, it looks like we're gonna have to delay the presentation.
Oh.
Because the Super Citizen Medal is in my hands right now. Come on up here, Mr. Higgins. I proudly present to you the Sparkton Hills Super Citizen Medal. You want to say a few words?
Of course, Ranger Anna. I'd be thrilled to say a few words. Words such as huckleberry, plum, shampoo, and of course, thank you.
Way to go, Mr. Higgins! Heroes come in all sizes. And when you have a dino-sized hero, you need a dino-sized medal. Bulbasaur, this is for you. For service above and beyond.
I think I know what he wants.
Me too. It's your medal, Bulbasaur. You can do anything you want with it. Even if that means burying it.
Delivery dilemma. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Rescue Red. You'll pick up the shipment of pogo sticks and helmets from Port Station and deliver them to School Station. And I'm going with you. I never miss a chance to pogo. Now you're ready to make tracks.
Hi, Faye! Howdy! I'm getting some food for a barn full of hungry animals at Farm Station.
Neat trip, Tippers! The pogo sticks are ready to sail. Go. Whoa! Animal feed car ready to go, too.
Approaching School Station. Pogo! Pogo! Oh, no! That is not pogo sticks.
No, sir. It's animal feed. Which means
They must have the pogo sticks.
Boy, am I glad to see you, Red!
After that pig! No! He's headed for the cliff!
got and delivered. Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Farmer Al needs us. Holes keep popping up in his fence, and that's letting little lambs run away. Spy Chase. I need you and your drone to search for that little lost lamb, Rocky. I'll need your tools to repair the fence and your recyclables to make a special undercover costume.
But who's the costume for?
Marshall. So he can go undercover as a sheep in the pasture.
Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Ryder!
There's another new hole in the fence. 3 lambs escaped and are headed toward those rocky hills.
Go after them, Marshall. It's too dangerous for baby lambs.
But what if the rest of the lambs get out?
I'll fix the fence so they can't. You go.
On my way.
Uh-oh, they're going into a cave. We gotta hurry.
Don't be scared, guys. Bah! Bah! That's it. Keep coming. Bah! Bah!
Great job, buddy.
Bah! Bah!
Spy Chase, snag him.
Roar! Net! Bah! I mean, thanks.
Marshall, you found them! Awesome! Way to go! Thanks, Rocky. And don't worry about the lambs escaping again, because I fixed that fence for good.
Thanks, Paw Patrol.
No worries, Farmer Al. Whenever you have a problem, just yelp for help.
Rusty's Brave Cave Save. Really?
I'm serious, Rusty. I'm talking about super strong armored creatures everywhere.
Really?
Yep, I've seen them with my own eyes. They're really tiny, but can do big things. They can lift this roller.
Like this?
Yeah.
And you're saying these creatures are right here in the yard?
Yep. Wanna see?
Whoa, cool ant farm, Liam.
Thanks. This one's name is Archer, and that's Aziz. Adrian, Alicia.
You've named them all?
Yep. Look at Annalisa go. Rusty, you ready yet? We gotta meet Sammy at Planter's Peak.
Ready. I just finished the modifications on these robo-arms. I can't wait to explore the caves.
Caves? Cool! I love caves. Can we come too?
For sure, Liam. And ants.
Yes!
Time to bolt!
Hi, Sammy!
Hey, you guys! You made it! This place is so awesome! Check out the epic view!
Whoa! You can see the whole town from up here.
There's the hardware store.
And the Rivet Lab.
And the sweetest sight of all, my ice cream store. All right! Who's ready to check out some caves?
Oh, yeah!
Okay, first, some safety tips. Number 1, the cave entrance is super steep, so it's important.
Who knew safety could be so much fun?
Sammy, are you okay?
I think I have ants in my pants!
Ants? My ants!
In my pants!
Arlene! And Jolly! Aristotle! Look out!
Ouchie!
Sammy, are you okay?
Yeah, but it's really dark and kind of spooky down here.
Then why are you laughing?
So many little feet! So much tickling!
Please don't lose them. The ants must stay in your pants, Sammy. The ants must stay in your pants.
Whoa!
Huh? Uh-oh. Look out! Sammy! Pushing a massive, heavy boulder might not be the best idea.
Guys, this cave is a lot darker than I thought. Help!
Hey, maybe we can squeeze through that small hole. Hang tight, Sammy. We found a way in.
Did you invent a shrinking machine, Rusty? 'Cause we're too big to fit in that hole. Everyone, stand back. I've got this. I have a very big head.
That's okay. It was worth a shot. I think this is a job for someone a little smaller.
Let's get some bits on the fix. Ready? Crush? We're in a squeeze and need your help.
Sammy's trapped down in the cave, but we can't fit through the opening to help him. Ray, he'll need some light.
And Crush, Sammy could use some snacks. Got it!
You guys hang out with Sammy while we move this rock out of the way.
You know, maybe this cave isn't that scary. Cave monster thing!
Yikes!
Ray? Crush? I knew it was you guys. You brought snacks? You're the best. I hope Rusty can get us out of here soon.
Okay, Rob, time to roll. Woohoo! Let's pull that boulder out of there. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Step on it. It's working. We did it.
Yeah!
Or maybe not. Time for plan C. There you go, Amber, Andrea. Now, home sweet home. If we can't move the boulder from the entrance, we'll have to find another way in.
Maybe there's another opening.
But how are we going to get to it?
Easy. We climb. Not so easy. If only I had longer arms.
But you do have longer arms. Back at the yard. Remember your robo-arms?
That's right. Good thinking, Liam. Potosaur, how fast can you get my robo-arms here? Potosaur? Wow, pretty fast. Good boy, Potosaur. Time to climb.
See anything?
Nope. How about you? Do you see a way in?
I found an opening. If one of us was the size of a bug. Let's climb down and rethink this.
It's a duck! That is so a bunny. I love shadow puppets. With you guys here, this place isn't so scary. A single scoop ice cream cone. It's so beautiful.
I wish there was a way we could just break through this wall.
I'll skin the mountain to see how thick it is. No chance. The mountain is way too thick. Wow, Angelina. Look at all the tunnels you dug. Nothing stops you guys from going where you want, huh?
That's it. If we can't open up the entrance to the cave, we'll do what the ants do.
And make our own tunnel. Let's combine it
and design it. First, if we take the seat and steering wheel from my go-kart,
then add not 1, not 2, but 3 pairs of robot arms.
And top it all off with the giant ice cream cone from Sammy's store. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Ant-tastic Drillbot 3000.
Woohoo! Nice name, but can I just call it Andrew?
How about Andrew 3000?
Sure, I can work with that. Great. Now let's get Sammy out of there.
Let's dig. Sammy?
Oh, hi, Rusty. What's up?
Not much. I just figured you might want to get out of here with a little help from a drill bot.
Also known as Andrew 3000.
Now let's get you out of here.
Sweet.
You guys want some ice cream too? Don't push the others, Billy Bob.
I don't know why, but ever since I saw that robo-ant you built, I've been craving a really big ice cream cone. Like the size of my beautiful sign. Where's my sign?
Right. About that.
It's right here. Jack?
We're coming!
A new sign? Thanks, guys. You're the best.
I had a backup made because you can never have enough gigantic ice cream cones.
All-flying zip line. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Mechanic Milo. Tugga tugga woohoo! We need you to take your tools to Camp Itchiny Station and fix the broken zip line.
And I'll come along to help